Good afternoon, guys. This is Phil with XLR8 Roofing and Construction. I'm out of house here out in the Apopka area. We just finished this house up this weekend. This is a really nice shingle. This is the Owens Corning Oak Ridge Driftwood color, which is probably the most popular color on the market. You see it a lot on a lot of houses around. One thing that happened at this customer's home is this was a referral through a mutual friend. Came out to inspect the roof. They were actually going to pay out of pocket for the roof replacement. The insurance company actually called them and told them they're going to drop them because of the age of their roof. Well, when we came out here and we just did an inspection, actually what we found is that the homeowner had some wind damage associated from a storm about 2 months prior. What we did is I sat down with the homeowner, showed them the storm date, and had them call their insurance company. The insurance company actually sent an adjuster out. They did their own inspection, and they found the same thing that we did. What they had was storm-related wind damage, creased shingles, probably about 15 or 20 on probably almost every slope on the house. So huge benefit. We end up saving this homeowner about $11,000 or $12,000, just giving them some advice so that they could file a claim if that was necessary. Sometimes, you know, we don't want to push people to file a claim, but if we find storm-related damage and we're trying to see if we can help facilitate that for a customer, sometimes all a homeowner needs is just a little bit of advice. Never been through it. All right, so this is our home here. Sorry, I got my finger in the way there. This is our house. Like I said, this is the Owens Corning Driftwood. Really nice straight lines along the roof. Guys did a great job. They were in and out of here in a day and a half. Installed all new ventilation on the roof. You can see down on the bottom level down there, there's an off-ridge vent down there over the garage to help, you know, get some of that hot air out of the attic space. Replaced both of the 4-inch goosenecks here for their bathroom exhaust vents. There was a 4-inch here, but we ended up putting a 10 because they actually had 2 exhaust vent pipes sticking out of the one, and they were just smashed up together. So, you know, it's always good to have a good installer to check on things like that, just to make sure that, you know, everything's getting addressed properly. You can see we installed new off-ridge vents on this side. Not a lot of room to convert to a ridge ventilation system here. If you look around the roof here, really nice straight lines. Roof looks really great. We're just waiting on the inspector. So down here to, you know, just bring a ladder for the inspector when he gets here. Looks like a really nice roof done by XLR8 Roofing. Once again, this is Phil with XLR8 Roofing. We appreciate you watching our videos. Give our office a call, and I'd really appreciate it if you asked for me. Thanks. Bye.